Yeah. Big man, I need the Xbox on, please. Thank you.
Stephen! I thought you were dead! Fucking hell!
Bro, you're my friend now. Yes. Yes.
It's like in the looking spiky.